See, the boy is going to push the table from A to B. The table is going to move. Along with that, the boy is also moving. Anything that moves in motion. Both table and the boy is moving. Motion. Already we studied about the motion. Motion. Consider the vehicles in the road is moving. The man who is walking is also moving. The flying bird as well as the planet around the sun is also in motion. So these are all the things that are moving. Then what is motion? Anything that changes its position with a time is called as motion. See, the car is moving from a point A to B. The position of the car is changing from a point A to B with a time. So change in position with a time is called as motion. Change in position with the time is called as motion. Then we can consider the same thing as linear motion. Otherwise it's called as rectilinear motion. In a types of motion, it will comes under linear motion, that is rectilinear motion. After rectilinear, the line line, the object which is moving in a straight line, motion in a straight line is called as rectilinear motion. Just now we saw the example, the car is moving in a straight line is an example of linear motion. Then motion depends upon the observer. When you are standing at a platform, the person, those who are inside the train, they'll think the platform, in the platform the boy is moving. The boy which is in the platform, they said they are in the rest, and the person, those who are in the train are moving. So motion depends upon the observer. Are you able to understand till this? Then motion is relative to the observer. Then we will see the types of motion.